Hello viewers, I was just out bringing the rubbish bin in and I noticed this strange cicada. I have seen one once before in my life, many years ago, the Central Coast region. We're a bit further north than that, but yeah, quite a rare looking cicada. Never seen one what am I trying to say here? Sorry guys, I haven't had a coffee yet. Yeah, I've never seen one other than once before, but it had a larger abdomen than this one. It looks like it's still drying its wings. I don't want to disturb it. It'd be nice to get it off the ground. You climb up on that. You don't look very lively. Remarkable creature. They live under the ground for way longer than they're above ground, in the order of years, in prime numbers, which is an interesting concept which stops them overlapping and interbreeding with the wrong species. If you've ever seen one of these before, drop a comment. I think they're a bit rare. Thanks for watching.